Hello graceful fans, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for 4K subscribers. Thank you so much. I appreciate everyone following me, liking my video, sharing my video. God bless you really good. So this is a simple buttercream cake that anybody can make. You don't have to be an expert to make this, even though I've been uploading videos of beautiful cake decorations. I'm not an expert, so you also can do this. I'm not yet an expert in cake decoration. I'm still learning, but you see, you too can do this. That is why I do my videos in such a way that you can see everything I'm doing and just learn, just copy and learn. So it's this simple. It's buttercream. If you don't know how to make buttercream, I have a video on buttercream cakes on this, on how to make buttercream. How to make buttercream is on this channel. Just scroll through my videos and you see it, follow, and you will see how simple it is to make buttercream. So this, I'm using white and black for this because that's the choice of the client that asked for this, my lovely friend and sister that asked for this cake. So the buttercream didn't need any color. I just went straight to the buttercream color, and then I mixed the buttercream also into black with black food coloring, and follow the pattern to make this lovely pattern on the cake at the bottom and at the top. As for the drip, it's simple to make drip. I think I'll do a video on how to make drips, so you don't have to be spending money to make drips. I made this drip myself. I made the crown myself. If you want to know how to make the crown, reach out also and I'll show you how to make crown using fondant. This crown was made with a fondant. How do you like the cake? Tell me in the comment section. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you.